Hi everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to send money from GCash to Maya. Hello, so to transfer money from GCash to Maya, here's a step-by-step instruction. So first you want to open up your GCash, go to the transfer, go to local, and then there will be a bunch of options you want to view all. After that, let's search up Maya. So there will be two options. You want to press the Maya bank if you're using the bank, but you want to choose the Maya wallet if you're using the eMaya wallet. After that, you just want to send the details like the account name, account number, and the amount that you want to send. And that's all on how to transfer or send money to GCash, I mean to